PTE scoring sample sheet looks something like this, where you have these scores given, and not like IELTS from band 1 to 7, but instead from 0 to 90. Now here, these are the scores of this candidate, for example, and with other information. You can also get a personalized scoring sheet based on your personal mistakes. It doesn't tell you much, but it gives you an idea of where you went wrong and what mistakes you need to improve on. Now, if you're in Canada and you need a CLB 9, it's pretty hard. It is a very high requirement in all these modules. So if you look at CLB 9, remember the PTE Core scores are out of 90. So you gotta score 78 to 87 in reading, which is okay. That's the most okay thing. But you see, your writing has to be almost perfect, 88 to 89. That's the highest score requirement. Listening is 82 to 88, again, almost like 90%. And speaking is 84 to 88. Right after writing, this is the second hardest module. So you have to score near perfect scores to get a CLB 9 in the PTE Core exam.